In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make more money as a live streamer on all these live streaming platforms. And we are not going to only be focusing on Popo Live, Bigo Live, Nikki Live, boloup, Lollipop, Mayo, V Live. We are also going to be talking about YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Live, Facebook Live, and all that. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So this video is going to be like 3 parts. In the part 1, we are going to be talking about the internal factors that will help you to make more money as a live streamer on the internet. In the part 2, we are going to be talking about the external factors that will help you to make more money on the internet as a live streamer, where we are going to be focusing on the Popo Live, Nikki Live, Bigo Live, and all that. While in the part 3, we are going to be focusing on the external factors that will make you more money as a streamer on YouTube Live, TikTok Live, Instagram Live, Facebook Live, and all that. So in these internal factors is something that you can hardly see or hear anyone talking about it on the internet in this context, because it's like something hidden that people don't want you to know about it, which is number 1, know your why and be knowledgeable about the particular platform. So when I say knowledgeable about the particular platform, it's not that you should just only know how to make use of it or how to make money with it and all that. You should know the why about that platform as well. Who is the founder of that platform? What is the mission? What is the vision of that platform? The internal part of that platform. And you knowing your why do you even want to make money on the internet? Why are you interested in that platform? Because knowing your why will give you that staying power to be consistent and to be persistent, and knowing the internal aspects and being knowledgeable about that platform will help you to stick to the rules and have hope and have faith in that platform. So the second thing we are going to be looking at it in the internal factor is have an audience. The truth is that currently we are in attention economy. From all this industrial revolution to connected economy to information economy and all that, now we are in attention economy. So your ability to grab people's attention, to bring them to a particular platform, or to make people listen to you, or to make people know you, like you, and trust you, is where the money is right now. So if you are right now watching me, that means you have a phone and internet connectivity. And if you are not building audience, you are already losing a lot of money on the table. The money is in the people. Must everybody become a content creator? No. But if you are not having a platform where you have people that you can bring their attention to something that will give you more money, you are going to be losing it. If you put your mind right now, in fact, you can pause this video. If you can put your mind down right now and see people that are the movers and shakers of the economy right now, are the people that are able to grab people's attention. That is it. Look at it in any angle. So your ability to grab people's attention, your ability to have people listen to you, hear you out, believe in you, like you, trust you, that is where the money is. So that's why in the beginning of this year, I did a video on Content Creation 101 where I share in detail how to become a content creator. You may not even be doing video. There are different ways you can build audience. It could be that just your page on Facebook, or a WhatsApp group or Telegram group, but you have to have people. If you are watching me right now, you might not have any of this. That means it's a sign for you to start having something, because everyone have a talent. If I'm able to make you watch me, you should be able to do something that in one way I will grab I will go to you. As you are watching this video, imagine, look at the frames, look at everything. That is somebody somewhere that make it, and I use my money to buy it, my hair and every other thing. So what are you bringing to the table that can grab people's attention, that can make you have audience, is extremely important. We are in attention economy. It's high time you know it and have peace, so that you don't have to start running up and down. You need to start building your audience that can like you, know you, and trust you. So in the description of this video, I'm going to drop the playlist to those videos I make if you want to get started as a content creator or in content creation. In the beginning, I wanted to make it a paid class, but I decided to just post it for free here on my YouTube channel. If you cannot see it, you can ask in the comment section of this video so that I will give you the link. The third tip, or the third internal factor that can help you make more money as a live streamer on the internet, you must have the ability to build system that works for you even while you are physically absent. Like, if you do not build a system that is making you money, even without you being there, you are going to be losing so much. But people will not tell you the truth, because some people kind of feel like if everybody knows, that means I will not make more. But that is the truth. So you need to build a system. As you know your why, and you know the internal factors that is driving the driving force behind that particular app, that particular platform, that particular industry, that particular business, then you start building your audience and creating content around that. Then you now build a system that works for you even while you are not here. Let me share with you one of the biggest secrets that made me thousands of USD on the internet. Like, everybody that is following me knows that majority of my content currently is about Purple Life, and that's the secret. When I know about the Purple Life, because I have already been anticipating about the Web3 and all that it comes along with it. So when I see Purple Life, I said, this is it. Going deeper to know who are the founder and all that, and me having my own why. One of my biggest why is the fact that I see that I'm blessed with so beautiful and intelligent children that need me to be in their life all the time for the first at least 1 to 18 years of their life. Is one thing that made me to be so passionate about internet, that I am living in my house, just a corner, as I'm creating this content. So as I started creating content, I now build a system that works for me. How do I do that? As I create video, in the description of the video, I drop link to my Telegram. As I put on Telegram, if you join my Telegram, you will see my welcoming message, and I'll tell you, I will never DM you in case anyone want to scam you. And then I put links to every video. So as you go to that Telegram, you click, I put video how to play game on this platform, how to sign up, how to make money, how to withdraw, how to play games. So that system is working for me even without me lifting a finger. You can just pick your phone now and Google how to make money online. My video will come up, and you come to my YouTube channel, you watch it, you will see my Telegram link, you click and join. As you join, you see link to sign up on all these platforms. You can sign up. I cannot begin to tell you how many people, without seeing me physical one-on-one, or even me interacting with them on the internet, that have come back to just drop beautiful comments appreciating how I have affected their life positively. So these are the 3 internal factors that you need to look into if you really want to start making more money on the internet as a live streamer, or on all these live streaming platforms. So the part 2 now, we are going into external factors that can help you make more money on all these live streaming platforms. We are focusing on Purple Life, Bigo Life, Nikki Life, boloup, Lollipop, Mayo, V Life, and much more. Is the first thing, knowing that you have already worked on this internal factor. Number 1 is live streaming. Of course, that one is very easy. Then number 2, inviting people. That is why, if you don't have audience, if you don't have people, even your neighbor now, start going out, Check, see, don't underestimate anybody. The people that can barely even, they don't even know what is copy and paste in my vicinity, that I thought they can, that they cannot do all this that I'm doing. They are the one that shock me the most. Like people that have finished giving birth, that their last born is already in university. So see, money is in people. Money is in people. It's extremely important. You know that. So if you, by inviting people, that's why I say attention economy, you get reward by inviting people. The second way you can make more money is becoming an agent. So I have done series of videos, so I'm not going to go deeper. If you want to learn how to become agents on live streaming platform, you ask in the comment section. Almost all the live streaming platform I shared, I have also shared videos on how to become agent. So if you become agent, you can be gaining commission for every agency invite that you have invite people to that platform. Another way you make money is you can become a coin seller. Myself, before I was selling coins, but I stopped. Reason is because other people started impersonating me and start scamming people, so I stopped. So another way you can make money is becoming a coin seller. If you are so interested in playing game, why wasting your time? Why are you wasting your time? There are platforms that you play game and get reward. You can make more money as you play game. You can make more money as you gamble. Gambling on all these live streaming platforms, meaning you can throw random coins on people and you could get more or you could lose everything. So I've done a video also explaining to you how you can do the gambling and win more. Another way you can also make more money on the live streaming platform is by leveling up. Leveling up meaning you doing more exchange to increase your level so that you can do a higher tax, and that will also give you higher opportunity to earn more. That when you play game and all this, your tendency of winning is much more bigger than someone that is in a lower level. So this is the part 2 of the external factors that can help you to make more money as a live streamer. The part 3 is external factors that can help you to make more money also, in like TikTok live, Facebook live, YouTube live, and all that. Remember, the internal factor works for both the Purple Life and all that, as well as the TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. So like all this TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, first of all, you need to know their policy and obey their rules and regulation. It's extremely important. There are a lot of people right now, I see them on all this social media platform. All they are after is the making money, but because they have not known the driving force of all this platform, they don't even know what are the policies, they don't know what are the rules and regulations, they don't even take time to know. All they do is, because you heard that this person is making this amount of money, and you just pick your phone and start making video. After 2-3 weeks, you are nowhere to be found, because the internal factor is not there. You do not know your why. You know, when purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. Yes, because you don't even know yourself, let alone knowing the platform. So you need to know any of the platform if you want to start making money. First of all, take your time. Who is the founder? Why did he even create this platform? What are their rules and regulations? What is their threshold? It's very important. Like on YouTube right now, for you to be monetized, you need to have up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And then Facebook has their own, IG has their own, TikTok have their own. I think TikTok is up to 10,000 followers and is it 100,000 views within a month or so. So you need to know their threshold, their rules and regulation, and all that, their policies for monetization. You need to know all this if you want to start making money on the internet, on all these live streaming platforms. You will notice I'm looking down because I don't want to miss any point. So then you need to work hard, work smart, look for people that are doing that which you want to do and learn from them. You can copy them, but you have to copy them smartly. That's why I see some people, they will come to YouTube here, download my video and upload it on their channel without knowing that YouTube, once you upload somebody else's video, YouTube will send you notification that this channel has uploaded 100% match with your content. You can just say remove it or report the channel and all that. So you need to know all this. You need to understand. So when you see someone that is doing what you want to do, watch them, learn from them, copy them, but copy them smartly while you add your own module into it. That is why that content creation 101 that I share, you need to watch that video. And then you need to check their platform monetization policy. You need to be consistent and persistent. I always tell people that if any niche you want to go into, any platform you want to make use of, that you hope to make money on or with, you need to first of all tell yourself, even if I did not make a dime in the next 6 months, in the next 1 year, is it something I would want to talk about or still be doing? Is extremely important. So, and with all these social media platform, you can also get brand deals with sponsorship. I have a complete playlist of videos sharing with you how you can make money with brand deals and sponsorship. I will drop it in the description of this video. And then you can also be selling your product and services as you create content on all these live streaming platforms. But the major focus I've not forgotten is live streaming on the platform itself, aside from all the other ways you can make money on all this YouTube, TikTok, Twitter and all that. So for you to make more money on them as you live stream, you need to build audience, because if there are no people coming to watch you, you cannot make money. And then people will be gifting you. Yes, even on YouTube, I don't go live that often, because because my content is already giving me so much money and I'm already very busy. But for looking forward, I'm looking at when I can be coming once in a week to live stream on all these platforms that I create content, so that it can help engagement and so that we can know each other one-on-one. And at the same time, why not, if yes, I make more money? So these are the things that if you do not get correctly, and you hardly see anyone sincerely coming out telling you the raw truth as I did. If you have watched this video to this point and you have not liked, drop me a beautiful comment. You need deliverance, I beg. Honestly. So after explaining all this, I'm also looking at if people are interested teaching you about YouTube. I've done videos some years back, but now most of what I've shared in those videos are outdated. But I don't know whether my audience will be interested for me to teaching you YouTube, because YouTube have stand the test of time and is the best platform, the best social media. Some people call it social media platform, but me, I call it a search engine. YouTube is a search engine. It's not just a social media, that have proven to be paying creators without looking at where you are from and all that. So if you're interested, let me know. When I see up to 20 persons that are interested, I'm going to teach you wholeheartedly. My content can be lengthy, but that is because I am ready to give it all. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. The links to all the things I mentioned, the videos and more, will be in the description of this video. Bye.